Have you ever asked ChatGPT or Google Gemini something and later discovered the answer was completely wrong?
Wait, that's completely wrong!
What if I told you that in less than 2 minutes you can dramatically reduce misleading answers and force these AI tools to be much more careful with the information they give you?
Give me 2 minutes and I'll fix this.
Today I am going to show you a simple setup called the Truth Protocol. Once you enable it, ChatGPT and Google Gemini will be instructed to fact-check themselves, admit uncertainty, and correct false claims instead of confidently agreeing with them. And the best part, it only takes a minute to set up. Let's start with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT on your phone or computer. Now tap the two-line menu icon in the top left corner. Next, click on your profile icon. You will see an option called Personalization. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you find Custom Instruction. Open it. A text box will appear. Simply copy the Truth Protocol prompt from the description of this video and paste it into the box. Once you have pasted it, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save the changes. And that's it. ChatGPT is now configured. Now let's move over to Google Gemini. Open Gemini and tap the two-line menu icon in the top left corner. Next, look towards the bottom right area and open Settings. Scroll down until you find Personal Intelligence. Tap on it. You will now see several options. Choose the third option called Instructions for Gemini. Once you are inside, you will find Add button. Tap on the Add button. A dialog box will appear. Paste the same prompt of Truth Protocol that you copied from the video description. Then tap Save. And done. You have successfully configured Gemini as well. But here's the real question. Does it actually work?
Time for the test.
I'm going to type exactly the same statement into both ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Let's type, Canada is one of the poorest countries in the world. Give me some information about this country. Now, think about that statement for a second. It's obviously incorrect. Canada is generally considered a high-income country, not one of the poorest countries in the world. So, what happens when we submit this prompt?
Gemini says, actually, Canada is quite the opposite. It is consistently ranked as one of the wealthiest and most developed nations globally. ChatGPT says, the statement, Canada is one of the poorest countries in the world, is false.
Instead of blindly accepting the claim and building an answer around it, both AI systems should now challenge the incorrect information. They will explain that the statement is incorrect and provide corrected information. That's the power of the Truth Protocol.
Truth wins.
Even if you accidentally provide false information, the AI becomes much more likely to point out the mistake instead of reinforcing it. In other words, if you say day is night, or night is day, it won't simply agree with you. It will stop, verify, and correct the claims whenever possible. Now, it's important to understand one thing: no AI system is perfect. ChatGPT and Google Gemini can still make mistakes.
AI is powerful, but it's not magic.
However, giving them clear instructions to prioritizing accuracy, admit uncertainty, and avoid guessing can significantly improve the quality of their responses. And that's exactly why this setup is so useful. So, go ahead, install the Truth Protocol on both ChatGPT and Google Gemini and start getting more reliable answers today. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Have you ever caught an AI giving completely wrong answer? I would love to hear your experience.
If this helped you, hit subscribe. More AI tricks are coming.
Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.